In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export a vertical video sequence. Whether you're crafting content for social media or creating a portrait-oriented video, setting up a vertical sequence ensures your project is perfectly tailored for its intended platform. Let's get started with opening your project. Once you have it open, you'll want to choose or create the sequence that's ready to transform into a vertical video. For many, starting fresh can be the best approach, so I'll guide you through creating a new vertical sequence. Go to the File menu, hover over New, and then select Sequence. If you're working with an existing sequence, you'll want to head to Sequence and click on Sequence Settings instead. Now, let's dive into the Settings panel, located under the Settings tab. This is where you'll customize your sequence's orientation. For a vertical video, which is often in a 9:16 orientation, you'll need to adjust the frame size under the Video settings. Make sure the width is noticeably smaller than the height. A common setup would be 1080 pixels horizontally by 1920 pixels vertically, ensuring you have that 9:16 ratio. Once you plug in these dimensions, take a glance at the aspect ratio section in the dialog to see an update confirming the change. For example, you'll spot something like a 0.5625 or 9:16 ratio appearing, which tells you everything is set correctly. With that done, name your sequence as desired and click OK to finalize your settings. You now have your vertical sequence. Next up is handling your footage. Import your existing clips into this newly created vertical sequence. Since a lot of original media is shot in a 16:9 horizontal format, some adjustments will be necessary. You'll need to modify the position and scale of each clip right on the timeline. Whether it's zooming in, repositioning, or cropping, ensure everything fits snugly within the vertical frame. Finally, let's talk about exporting because it's crucial to maintain that vertical orientation in the final product. When you reach the export stage, double-check that your export settings are consistent with your sequence's frame size. For instance, set it to 1080 by 1920, allowing your output to keep that coveted 9:16 format. Overlooking this can cause your export to default back to a 16:9 layout, which is a common stumble point. By ensuring these settings match, you'll preserve the vertical integrity of your project. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough for creating and exporting vertical video sequences. Now you're all set to craft content that perfectly fits into vertical platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.